Hey guys, welcome back to Inactive Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix inactive listing on Amazon. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, there's a few things that you could do here to fix this issue. So first, log in into your Amazon Seller Central account and navigate to Inventory and Manage Inventory options. Now, here you can filter listings to view only active and inactive or suspended products. Now, you first need to understand the reason for inactivity. To determine why each listing is inactive, reasons could include out of stock, policy violation, or search suppressed. Now, if a product is inactive due to out of stock, you can restock it by sending units to Amazon FBA warehouse to fulfill orders directly. Now, if the listing is blocked due to policy violations, resolving this can be challenging. Review Amazon's policies and address any violations accordingly to reinstate the listing. Now, for listings that are search suppressed, not live issue here, so check the reasons such as the missing product description or main image, upload the required content, are typically within 15 to 20 minutes, the listing should become active again. Now, follow these steps to correct the issue causing the inactivity and reactivate your listings to start receiving sales again. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.